So with these questions here, if you cannot turn this number here, the denominator, if you can't get it into 100, because we can't do that with 8, we just have another strategy, and the strategy is to simply divide 1 by 8. So 1 divided by 8. And we do that, well, you can either do it with a calculator, or you do it with this simple strategy here, 1 divided by 8. Okay, so here we go. This is how we do it. How many 8s fit inside of 1? Well, no 8s fit inside of 1. So we write 0, decimal, and then you put a 0 here. You always start off with that. If the first answer to this problem here is 0, you put a 0, decimal, put a 0 here, and now we have how many 8s fit inside of 10? Well, 1 8 fits inside of a 10, leaving you with 2 left over. So let's put a 2 on top of a new 0, and now that's 20. How many 8s fit inside of 20? 2. That would make 16, right? 2 8s are 16, leaving 4 remaining. Put that on a 0, and now we have 40. So how many 8s fit inside of 40? 5. With no more remainders, so now we are finished. We have this decimal answer of 0.125. To convert a decimal to a percentage, just move this decimal forward 2 places. And so if you can imagine that decimal being there, the final answer will be 12.5%. 12.5%. Let's do one more. Let's do C. 415. Alright, we can't easily multiply 15 to turn it into 100. So we're going to use the strategy of doing 4 divided by 15. So here we go. How many 15s fit inside of 4? Well, obviously none. So we write none, decimal, and then we make a 0 here. How many 15s fit inside of 40? 2. That would make 30, leaving us with 10 remaining. So 10 on top of a 0. And this number is now 100. How many 15s go inside of 100? Well, let's just do a little check. My prediction is 7. So 15 times 7. Let's see if that's under 100. Oh, no. That's 105. So it'll actually be 6. So the answer here will be 6. Now, what is 15 times 6? We need to work out the remainder. $90. So that 90 is what 15 times 6 is. So the remainder is 10 again. So this will go on forever, this 6. So we put a dot saying that this 6 will continue forever. Can you see we'll continuously get this same thing every time? So let's delete that for a moment. And now we have an answer, but we need to convert it to a percentage. So the decimal goes there. The answer will be 26.6 recurring %.